Hi, and welcome to the fourth section of this course, Installing and Configuring Chef. This section describes in detail the configuration management tool Chef, the installation of its components and alternatives, and the configuration of components and convergence of a node for preparing a runtime environment for Java EE applications using cookbooks. However, writing a cookbook and a detailed discussion of Chef components is out of scope of this section, as it will take up too much space. The section will demonstrate the following topics: getting started with Chef, an overview of hosted Chef, installing and configuring a Chef workstation, converging a Chef node using a Chef workstation. Now we will see the first video of section 4, getting started with Chef. In this video, we will learn the basics of Chef. The Chef is one of the most popular configuration tools in the open source world. Let's get hands-on with provisioning instances and configuration management. However, before that, we will need to understand the basics. There are three major components of Chef: the open source Chef server or hosted Chef, Chef workstations, node. The open source Chef server or hosted Chef. The Chef server or hosted Chef is the pivotal component which stores cookbooks and other important details of registered nodes. It is used to configure and manage nodes using Chef workstations. Chef workstations. A Chef workstation works as a local repository, and the Knife plugin is installed on it. Knife is used to upload cookbooks to the Chef server and execute plugin commands. Node. A node is a physical or virtual machine in any environment where we need to configure runtime environments or perform operations using Chef configuration. The node communicates with the Chef server, open source or hosted, obtains configuration details related to itself, and then starts executing steps based on it. The Chef server can be installed on a physical machine or a virtual machine with an open source installable file based on the operating system. Another, easier method to use is hosted Chef, where we need not install and configure a Chef server. We can use the SaaS offering from Chef. It allows up to 5 nodes. The biggest benefit is we need not manage a Chef server or upgrade it. Hence, we save ourselves from management and maintenance overhead. Take a look at the Chef website. You will see the Chef homepage like this. There are a lot of details available here about Chef and cloud-related integration, as well as Knife plugins. We will create a hosted Chef account in the next section and configure it with a local workstation. To proceed, click on the Management Console link in the top right corner of the Chef website. Now that we know the basics of Chef,